You can see viewers on Facebook story of others too. It's pretty interesting to how you can do it. This video is a step-by-step guide to do it. First, you need to open the Facebook app, just launch it on your Android device and log in if you need it. Now go to the news feed of your profile picture. Go to the story you posted. For example, here I posted a tested story. You can see on the screen. Now after swipe up, you can see the screen who watched your story. Click now clicking on others won't show it who showed your story. Now what you need to do is go to the profile setting. Here you have to go to the custom story setting. Here after going to the custom story setting, you can simply see the names. Just swipe left and you can see who are those others who have watched your stories and Facebook isn't showing them. So this was a step-by-step guide on how you can see the story of others, and I will see you in the next one.